Hello guys, Ijas here, and yes, I know it's been a while. Actually, I've been working on a series of videos that has to do with showing you guys the whole process of me building an app for a client, but I can only release those videos after we've deployed the app and it's gone public. So you guys will have to wait a little bit for that one. But in this video, we'll be talking about UI UX design and how to get started. Let's dive in. UI UX stands for User Interface and User Experience. In the software development world, it means designing how a mobile app or a web app will look like before actually developing it. So what's the difference between UI and UX? UI is the user interface. That is the part that you can see and interact with, like the buttons and the layout of elements on the screen. But UX is how it feels like to interact with the UI. So how functional and easy it is to use. They are like different sides of the same coin. So you can have a very nice design, but it's a pain to use. And on the other hand, you can have something that functions very well, but man, this thing is not nice, bro. It's not very appealing to use. So it's more of a combination of form and function. Here is an example. We are designing a home automation app, and this is the user interface to control the AC. It's not bad, but if I want to change it to say 25, I'll have to click the plus button 24 times. That's not very great. So as a UX aware designer, you said, all right, let me do something about it. I'm going to use a slider instead. I think people are just going to uninstall this app after 2 days of using it because you know why. So let's just improve the UI of the slider version and boom, we have something that is both nice and easy to use. That is good UI UX design. So UI UX design is probably one of the easiest way to get a remote job in the tech space because you don't need to know how to code, but you'll be working with developers to design beautiful apps. So here's how to get started. First off, you have to choose your design software. The popular design softwares are Figma and Adobe XD. After choosing your software, you have to learn how to use the tools in the software. So you can get some videos here on YouTube to help you out that one. Then now that you know how to use the tools in the software, here's where the fun begins. Look for nice designs. You can get some on Dribbble or Behance or even Google, and then try to replicate those designs on your own. You can start with simple designs and then work your way up to more complex designs. So after you've practiced this for a while and you've gotten perfect, what you can do next is to add your own style to the replication. So instead of just doing the same thing, you try to change some parts and add your own style to it. Now you have to do this until you can take a design and then replicate it in an entirely different way. At this point, you're almost ready. You just have to keep practicing. Now, I said all that in about 2 minutes, but it's not going to take 2 minutes for you guys. How long it will take for you to master it will depend on your dedication. The more time you spend, the earlier you become a pro. And don't forget to use your practice designs to start building your portfolio. Check out my previous video somewhere around here where I talked more about building portfolio. Everything I've said so far is how I learned to do design. I know there are many other ways that you can learn how to do design, but whatever you do, don't stop until you've mastered it. That has been it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next one. Peace. Not very appealing to use.